Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the OpenAI DimeAI Earbuds, a full guide on the setup, the key features, and how you can get the most out of this viral AI wearable. So whether you are just got your pair or you are considering them, this walkthrough will help you understand everything. So first of all, let's talk about what makes DimeAI earbuds special. So these aren't just the wireless earbuds, they are basically equipped with the AI processing, built-in language understanding, and the real-time assistant features. You can think of them as the smart audio plus AI companion in one. So first of all, you can start by charging the earbuds in their case until these are fully powered. So once that is done, you can just simply open the case near your device. It can be your smartphone or it can be a tablet, and then you can pair them via Bluetooth just like you do with your normal earbuds. Once it is connected, you can install the companion application if available. This app is going to let you configure the AI features, the voice preferences, and the custom settings. So the main way to interact with Dime AI is via the wake word or any kind of gesture control. For example, you might say something like, "Hey Dime," to activate the AI assistant without even touching your phone. So once it is activated, you can ask the questions, get the live translations, and you can request the summaries. So these earbuds are built to handle the natural language, which means you don't need to use the exact commands. You can just simply speak conversationally. So Dime earbuds can be specifically powerful in the live translation. If you speak in one language, the AI can process the incoming speech, then it can translate it and play it back in the real time, near real time. So this is great for the travel meetings with the international teams and multilingual conversations. In the application, you can explore the settings for the voice tone, for output style, and shortcut gestures. So you might set a double tap on the earbuds to silence the AI or a long press to repeat the last response. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.